should cook more often. That looks good.
You try it, Ate Nicole.
Fish, chef?
Yeah, Ate Nicole, try it. No, try it. Yeah, try. Nagluto siya ng kanyang pagkain. What do you call that, babe?
It's called beef keema.
Beef keema. Din. Oh, Col, try mo nga, Col. Oh, here, use the other spoon here. Oh.
Yeah, use it with the bread.
With the bread? No, just give her a try with that first. The thingy. The pork. The beef. Taste it, Ate Nicole. And rate it 10 out of 10. Oh, spicy Col. 10 out of? Kaya hindi ko na sinubukan yung kanyang loto eh.
Indian food is not for everybody, Baba.
I know. That's why I don't like Indian. Then how come I have you? No, I like the what do you call that? The rice biryani. But it's not spicy.
It's not so spicy.
I know.
Put in that.
Nothing. It's keema.
So what's your rate, Ate Nicole? 10 out of 10?
Spicy food.
Oh, that's spicy. I'm not Indian.
Oh, see? Talaga nangyari dyan. Kain tayo mga siyas, ulam ko, ito, lapwa. Tapos, mga tira-tira nila, ako lang kakain.
You didn't try.
I know, but
Try a little bit.
She saw my reaction and didn't want to.
Try a little bit.
manghang.
Nakita mo yung reaction ko, hindi ko matatuloy.
Ba't wala kang hahaha?
This one is drama. Our reaction is drama.
Ba't walang ganun? Hindi manghang?
Masarap.
Masarap?
Hindi. Kunti lang mang.
Just give me a little.
Wait, ayan na try mo. On beef.
No way.
Just give me a little bit. You know that.
I'm giving only this much.
Yeah. Just
And
put it here.
she's still gonna ask for water.
Para lang to kalaking muta. Ah. What?
It's spicy, man.
Asan? Ay.
That's your fault. Why you put too much spices then?
It's not a question of that. I don't eat spicy food so much. So first time, I was saying something.
Because you didn't do the right thing, babe. You should put a little bit of meat. Not that, because you use, I think that's for 1 kg meat for that 1 pack.
I think I should have used half a pack.
Yeah, but you put everything.
I put 1 pack.
1 pack for 1/4 meat. Yeah, I did.
1/4 or half kg?
No, that's 1/4, babe. See, 1/4. Then you will put you use the whole pack of spices. Ay nako.
If you eat it with rice and all that, it'll be okay. You're just eating like that. That's fine. If you eat with rice.
No, I can feel it, babe. It's too much. I cannot eat this one. Hindi ko nga alam saan ba yung masarap doon. Ayan na, okay?
Gusto niya din.
Ay, nakalimutan ko na naman yung bib mo, Yana.
I
I forgot the bib.
The bibi.
It's okay. Eat lang.
May tumatawag.
Where is that one gone?
One bag.
My hammer.
Hammer yung pang ice crush.
It's inside. Use the spoon na lang, or fork.
The knife.
The knife there.
Break the knife.
That's okay.
Hindi talaga.
This is the reaction I'll get now on my Facebook.
What Facebook?
I'm gonna say
Post na siya
combination
reaction.
old monk, beef keema, what do you call mutton keema, keema fry and cricket. The combination.
Sana all.
They all go right. Oh, where are you, bro? Oh shit. Hey, give me the coke. Hi, Baba. Look at this one. There's more food outside than inside.
Yeah, baby. What are you doing? Put here.
Okay.
Thank you, Lord. Sarap yung ating ulam. Tira-tira.
Ano ko pala yung ano?
Paano kung sa malaki yung inano mo eh?
Uy, kunti lang yun.
Kunti eh. Sinubo mo lahat.
Oh, mali ko, wag ganun kaanghang.
I knew it.
Pas mama pa sa ano, butter chicken na. Di ba mang na yung butter chicken? Ang welcome ka pala.
Sarap na ulam ko.
Thank you.
Thank you, Lord. Oh, babe, did you... The chicken is there, huh? You have to finish that one. Where's the baby Ayana? Peekaboo. Where's the baby? Where's the baby Ayana? Peekaboo. Where is the baby Ayana? Peekaboo. Where is the baby Yana? Peekaboo. Where is the baby Yana? Peekaboo. Where is the baby Yana? Oh. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Where's the baby Yana? Peekaboo.